Coming up, I'll show you how I use the NuWave Brio to cook this steak and baked potato in 48 minutes, and I'll show you how to do this. Well, hey, all, welcome. Now, for the past 10 days, I have been putting this NuWave Brio family size air fryer to the test. Well, they call it an air fryer, but in my opinion, it can do so much more than a typical air fryer. They probably should call it a countertop convection oven. Now, full disclosure here, the folks at NuWave sent me this at no charge so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, this thing comes with some amazing features like this heavy metal sear plate. You heat it up before you put your steak on it, and the next thing you know, you got actual grilling marks on your steak. Now, it also has a rotisserie. You can put a whole chicken in here if you want, but for me, I'm just one guy. I cook for one person most of the time nowadays. I just want to use the basket, and the basket works great. Check it out. Now, another great thing about this family-sized air fryer is that you can cook the entire meal all at once. For example, in my testing, I cooked 2 breaded pork chops and the vegetables all at the same time. And I used the probe that comes with it to make sure that the pork chops were not overcooked. Let me show you that, and let me show you some of the other features this thing has. One of the things I really love about this air fryer is how easy it is to clean. Everything that touches the food except the probe is dishwasher safe. Plus, the inside is coated with a non-stick ceramic, making it super easy to clean. Another thing I really appreciate is how fast you can get a meal done. I can bake a potato at 400 degrees in about 40 minutes. Now, notice the heavy sear plate sitting at the bottom. It's soaking up the heat the whole time. When the potato is done, I just move that hot plate up a level and drop the steak on it. Between the hot metal and the 400-degree oven, the steak cooks in about 8 minutes. And here is my dinner from a few nights ago, a top sirloin straight off the sear plate. Notice it's sitting perfectly at 137 degrees Fahrenheit for a spot-on medium. A perfect steak and baked potato in 48 minutes, start to finish. Okay, quick poll. Tell me in the comments section, do you have an air fryer tucked away in a cabinet that you no longer use? And if so, I'm curious why you no longer use it. Now, I try to respond to every comment. Now, here's a feature that surprised me. This NuWave actually has a Dehydrate function built right in for making fruit snacks. My first batch of bananas weren't a total home run, but the fact this machine can even do it is pretty wild. Let's look back at those pork chops and veggies I showed you earlier. Here is exactly how I cooked them. I tossed the vegetables in a little olive oil, hit them with some garlic salt, and put them in frozen. Do not thaw them out. Now that gives the pork chops the head start they need, and everything finishes roasting at the same time. Now, over the years, I have tested, I can't even begin to tell you how many air fryers I have tested over the years. And normally, I just give them away to family, friends, or even the neighbors. But not this one. This one is staying in my kitchen. I recommend you give it a try. Thanks for watching.